Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you method overloading. What is method overloading and why so important in object-oriented programming? In C Sharp, the framework and the compiler will automatically understand about these concepts. Let's see, the miracle would be like, what is overloading means? With method overloading concept, multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. So method name would be same my method, like example my method only, and different type of data types may change in the parameters. Yes, whereas we are calling a method with the by passing these type of parameters, so it is going to be like accordingly which data type we are going to calling a method, accordingly it will be reach and it will throw you as an output with the same name of methods might be. Yes, we'll see how it is in a simple example. Let's begin. Like I'm using a very simple plus method here. Okay, plus method means addition. Yeah, my method name is plus method. So I have written here int a, int b, two values. With the written, it is a plus b. The addition will be happens with this plus method. So what is the data type? Int I have taken for this method. So one more method, static. Data type is double I am taking in this time. Plus method I am writing the same. Data type is changed, and here also data type is double. So double a, same two parameters only, double b. So the two parameters. So the block of code should be having a return value, return a plus b. So see how it is looks like, plus method here and plus method. So this is the way when I'm trying to calling which method is going to be considered. So I'm removing these lines here, and when I'm calling plus method, how it is going to be recognized, which method is called. So here I'll tell like int, like very simply my int number, like my integer number, my num I call it as my number 1, that equal to plus plus method with two parameters, like two arguments I need to pass. Like one is integer value like 4 comma 2, enough, 4 comma 2. So I want to check whether I am getting like value or not. CW and my number. That's it. Let's have a look and run it. Yes. So I'm able to getting here the value is 6. Perfectly I'm getting a value. See here, and which method is going to be called? I specified here it is a plus method only I have written, and two arguments I have passed with the 4 plus 2, and the plus method, both two plus methods are here. So the automatically the compiler and code is recognized, and it is calling this method based on its data types. It's the int data type I am passing here as an argument value. So if I am passing double data type, what happens? We'll see now. Here I'm declaring one more time, I'm trying to calling this method. It's a double my num2 equal to plus plus method of 2.2 plus like 3.2. I'm sorry, it's a comma, not plus. Yeah. Terminate. Now CW anyhow you know, and my num2 I want to check how I am getting as a total. So when I run this, how I am getting total? Yes, 5.5 I am getting. So see, 2.3 plus 3.2, it's a 5.5. As a total, I'm getting as an output. And first method, it is going to calling this particular method, like plus method, integer values. Based on the data type, it is going to be chosen which method is going to be considered and which method is going to be called automatically, which will happens. This process, which will be implemented successfully in C# programming language as a concept of method overloading. So the number, like multiple methods can have the same name. See, I may define more number of methods, maybe increasing the parameters or increasing and changing the data types. It's my wish. I'm not applied here void keyword and I have taken return keyword, which is the calculated return value I'm getting here to storing in this particular object, and I'm printing this object means I'm able to see how beauty it is, like a declaring and defining like a multiple methods. Yes, we can reuse which data type irrespective. We can pass the data type irrespective by calling the same method when it is used. This is useful for when we are going to deal with multiple data items. See, I can write a simple text here. This is like a int method is called with the concatenation of plus, and this is, what about this? Yeah, this is double method is called. Now save this, run it. So accordingly, appropriately, we are seeing an output. See, this is an int method and this is a double. So how it is? So if we want any space means we can take a space over here and we'll run again. Whenever you are trying to changing a C# code, you need to rerun the program. See, this is int method, this is a double method, we are getting a total. So the same method name I'm calling with the different data types. Accordingly, if you are changing like 3 variables here means, if you are applying plus method, it will be, you have to pass the 3 arguments over here. It will be automatically goes there and it will be called that method only, which has successfully implemented this overloading in C#. And this is a very important you to understand about this concept as well in object-oriented programming. So I hope it's very clear with the using of simple example. Yes, you may try to use your own method, like you may calculation. Using the calculation, you send it and check with the any method, like maybe you may apply plus, minus, or anything what you want, you can write down. I hope it's very clear. We'll catch you in next session. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.